Hello everyone! Coming up on this episode of Good Tech Cheap, it is do-it-yourself time as we check out the VEVOR heat press. Hello everybody and welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I'm your host Kevin, reminding all of you out there, if you can give this video a like, please do. If you can subscribe, also click on that and turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop more episodes of Good Tech Cheap. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about the VEVOR heat press. This is a 12 by 15 inch heat press machine. It's an 8-in-1 multifunctional sublimation swing away heat press with 360 degree rotation. The heat press can be used for t-shirts, hats, mugs, caps, plates, and other items. It features precise digital control. The LCD screen display with easy-to-operate buttons makes it simple to set desired parameters as needed. It's equipped with an audible alarm which reminds the machine of stopping heating when the set time and temperature are reached. It also features a 360-degree swing-away feature. The swing arm is fully rotated 360 degrees, allowing the heating element to move to the side, reducing the chance of accidental contact. Making the pressure to be applied directly and evenly downward enhances the quality of transfer further. It also features an adjustable spring plate. The adjustable spring plate can be used and replaced with different accessories such as a mug press, cap press, and it's easy to use and to assemble. The round-shaped design is beneficial to distribute the pressure evenly. It also features very user-friendly details. The upgraded handles are more labor-saving and stable. They come with 2 layers of thermal insulation cotton, a 4mm aluminum silicate paper insulation, and a 10mm thick thermostable sponge to improve the transfer effect. The VEVOR heat press is your 8-in-1 versatile kit. With a 12 by 15 inch or 30 by 38 centimeter large heat platen, the shirt press machine uses Teflon coated platen and it's non-stick and it's stable. It's suitable for applying letters, numbers, and patterns onto caps, t-shirts, cups, plates, and other items that you might find useful. Let's take a look at it in action. Alright, so we have our heat press all set up, and we have our friend of the show who's helping out since he's actually used a heat press like this, and will be guiding us as we get some of these decals on this shirt right here.
Now we're going to get our temperature set and our time and all of that, and this mode button here makes that really nice and easy. If you push the first one, this is set heat. So for the shirt, we're gonna bring it up, and if you press and hold, it kind of jumps in bigger increments, which is nice. So we're gonna put it up to about 315. Cool. And then this is gonna be set time. So we're gonna set that to about 15, 20 seconds. We'll just do 20. And then the other is going to be your Celsius. Fahrenheit, we're already in Fahrenheit, so we're good. So then we just click mode again, and it'll start to build up to that heat. Once it's heating up, you definitely want to use gloves because these are going to keep your hands from getting burnt. And once it's heating up, I would avoid using these handles because they will get hot. The little suction cup feet actually do help a little bit, which is nice.
Here are the layers we were talking about, which are very important to protect the bottom of the press over here. So good that those are there.
So we're gonna place our shirt on.
Exciting.
Make sure you don't have wrinkles under where it's gonna press onto, because they will flatten behind it and press with both. The foam back definitely helps give a little cushion, so it's not too bad if it's underneath. Yeah. And then we're gonna put some parchment paper on top. Parchment paper on. That's just to protect your heating element from getting any kind of ink or anything on it. And then we're gonna clamp it down, and away we go. Oh, fingers crossed, yeah. So we'll see if this is the right amount of time. There you go.
Hey, look at that.
Nice and easy.
Got an elf shirt. Hey.
There it is.
And to point out, you can do all kinds of decals and designs. These are materials that we had on hand from other crafts projects, but yeah, a lot of versatility here. Only took 20 seconds to press and very straightforward to use. To find out more or to purchase one for yourself, just click on the link in the description below. That just about wraps it up for this video. We'd like to thank VEVOR for sponsoring it and sending us the heat press machine so we could unbox it and check it out and share all of its features with all of you out there. If you like this video, please give it a like. And if you like videos where we talk about good tech that is cheap, hit that subscribe button, and also remember to turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop another video of Good Tech Cheap. I've been your host, Kevin. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, be kind, and we'll see you next time.